Hello, I'm Justine and I'm your Italian music teacher. I started learning piano when I was a child and finished the conservatoire while graduating in school. Then I got an undergraduate and master degree at uni and I improved my piano skills with a great maestro. This was in Rome. Then I moved to the UK and I continued working as a pianist, an accompanist and a piano teacher. I got a PhD in music and now work also as an ABRSM examiner. One of my passions is going out with my friends, doing nothing, sunbathing, reading, eating pizza, but especially making music theory accessible to all. If you don't know and don't want to know why music theory is important and why on earth you should waste this channel is for you. This channel is for you also if you don't hate music theory and you genuinely want to improve your skills. I publish on many platforms lots of things. So many that if you don't sign up to my newsletter, you're going to miss out. Honestly, useful stuff first, because it's all free, and also because it is difficult to find it around otherwise. For example, there are ebooks, cheat sheets, tests, crosswords, flashcards, shorts, piano tutorials, all for free. And my course, this time not for free, that will allow you to prepare for a grade 5 theory exam in only 35 days. Now you know it. If you feel bad because all of this teaching and learning material is for free and no one is actually paying me for that, you can become a YouTube member and buy me a coffee a month, watch the videos before anyone else, or enjoy the exclusive videos that I'd recommend if you are preparing for a grade 5 theory exam. Thank you!